Hello guys, welcome to my channel NetCast on WebTech Zone. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use today's function in Excel, or how to use today function in Excel. So let's start with the video. Before you going to start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comments below. So let's start with the video. So here we go. This is my Excel sheet, and I have show you how to find how to use today's function according your requirement. So here I'm going to find the current date, current days, current month, and current date plus 15 days, or current date minus 15 days. So you can use this today's function as per your requirement. So I'm going to show you these four category you can use today's function. So in order to find out current date in Excel, just use the today's function. Just enter the equal sign, then type today's, and it will be come up with the open comma, and now you have to just close the comma and enter, so you can find today's days. Okay, so in order to find out the current days in Excel by using today's function, so today's formula this is right this is how you can write spell today's formula. So in order to find the current days, just type comma, find days, just tap, click on tab, just then comma will be open. Now you have to type here today. Now just close the bracket, open bracket, and just close first column and first bracket, and now enter. So you can find out the today's date. So next situation I have, I'm going to find out the current month by using the today's formula. So just enter the equal sign. Now you have to find months, so click on months, then find today's. It is find months by using today's days. So I'm going to find today's. So close the bracket and again close the bracket and click, so you can find month also. So here sometime you have to find the current date plus 15 days, after 15 days or after 20 days, what which date will become. So you can find out. So there is a formula you can use, like same formula like today's formula you can use the way how we use. I'll show you. This is a simple step. You just type today's, because we are going to find out today's current date plus plus 15 days, current date plus 15 days time date. So type today's and just close the comma, sorry, bracket, then plus. So we are going to find out after 15 days date. So click type 15 and enter. So you can find out after 15 days date. If you want after 20 days, you can simply enter the 20. If you find the before 15 days date, you can minus and type minus. You can find before 15 days date. So that is how you can use today's function or today's formula in Excel. I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching. One thing is I just missed. If you find this if when you in apply the formula here, and you don't get the number, so you need to change your formats. Just right click, and in case of number, you just the right click, click on format, and here you have to click on general or number, and okay, then will number will be get. If you don't get the proper format in current date, you have to just right click, go to the format cell, and go to the date, and you have to select the proper date format and click ok. Okay, so that point I was missed. So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel. Thank you for